Hi, Kathy Kuzel, the Connected Woman, and it's Friday. My business day is done, and the world of Christmas baking here in the Kuzel household is now afoot. So yeah, it's going to be a real baking weekend, and I just wanted to check in with everyone before you call it quits for this week. And as we look at, we're getting really close to the end of this year, and it's all about how can we finish strong and how can we line up 2022 to be the best ever. And of course, not wanting to pass up an opportunity for a business lesson, we'll attach it to baking. It's, with certain recipes, you have to have various ingredients, egg to bind, salt to taste, depending on it's savory or sweet. It's the same thing in your business. If you have not enough or maybe too much social media, again, what is the quotient for your marketing? Where does customer service come in? How much do you measure in that recipe for business success when it comes to yours? And don't forget always that pinch of accounting that has to be taken care of. So those are some of the things I would really recommend that you have a good think about from now till the end of the year as you're going to set your business plans for 2022. So yeah, that's what I wanted to check in on. And here in that, can we do this? Yeah, okay. Oh, what? There they are over there. Those ones are baked. I've got more in the oven. They're ready to go, and I have another batch just waiting. Those are almond crescents, and they're a staple in the Kuzel household when it comes to Christmas. So have a great weekend. Think about your recipe for success when it comes to business. What are your ingredients? Every recipe is a little different. And if you need help with your recipe, you can reach me at kathykuzel.com. Check out my blog for some tips, or check out the Connected Women Association for a community of women who know what it's like to be in business. So have a great weekend. Be brilliant.